For the first time in 100 years, the world has stopped. The world is living with a fear. Fear not of a virus, a fear of death. Until we overcome this fear of death, we will not start to live. My friends, what is fear? Fear is F-E-A-R, false expectation appearing real. A fear is not a danger, but we human beings, we live and we die with fear. Alas, we forget to live. Some people are scared of a flight, a plane. They don't want to go in a plane. Some people are scared of road accidents. Some people are scared of eating mushrooms. Some people are scared of a little lizard. People are scared to death. The problem of fear is not fear. The problem of fear is death. You know, Mahatma Gandhi said this 100 years ago. More people die of the fear of the disease, fear of death from a disease, than from the disease itself. The disease doesn't kill. It's the fear of death that kills. Life is meant to be lived. Life is beautiful. Life has many beautiful things for us to enjoy. But many of us, we live like a frog in the well. We live like a caveman, scared to go out. We don't adventure. We don't take a risk. We are scared to swim. There are many people who don't want to learn snorkeling or scuba diving because they fear they will die. There are many people, they don't climb up these beautiful mountains and enjoy what is known as paragliding, jumping from the top of the mountains in a parachute with a trained pilot and then landing in these meadows of flowers. There are people who are scared of heights. They will not even go on a trek up to the mountain. What is the fear? The fear is the fear of death. And until we overcome the fear of death, we will not start to live. What is death, my friends? Death is the end of this journey called life. Can you escape death? Can you escape? You may be the richest man in the world. These beautiful tulips, can they escape death? They will wither and they will disappear in a matter of 2 to 4 weeks. The most beautiful flowers in the world that come in Amsterdam and in Kashmir, these beautiful tulip gardens, they will disappear, they will die. Because the rule of death is that every living organism must die. These mountains won't die. These mountains are not a living organism. They are a part of nature created by the divine. But because we fear death, we are human beings and one day we have to die. But because we fear death, we don't live. All the time we fear death. Today the whole world has locked down because of not a virus, but the fear that the virus will kill them. How many people have died? A fraction of a percent. A fraction in India. 25,000 people die every day. At an average, how many have died out of COVID? Less than a few hundred out of 25,000. But we are living as if COVID is killing the whole country. Again, there is a second wave, and third wave, and fourth wave. The wave is not the wave of COVID, it's the wave of fear. We are living with the fear of death. And until we overcome the fear of death, we will not learn to live. Death is certain. We all have to go. This world is a show. We come, we live, and we go. Let us learn to flow. Let us learn to flow this beautiful journey called life. Because life is a beautiful journey. And let us learn to understand that death is not the end. It's a bend for us to transcend. It's a doorway to the divine. Until we realize the true meaning of death, we will always live with the fear. We will always miss to enjoy this beautiful journey called life. Not just the disease that is causing the fear of death. It may be anything that causes fear of death. The fear of death will paralyze us. It creates a phobia. It makes us paranoid. Eliminate the fear of death For if you don't eliminate the fear of death will eliminate you. The choice is yours.